Participants in the St. Joseph Health Services of R.I. pension plan picketed outside Providence Superior Court this morning during a hearing whether to reduce retiree benefits. The protest then moved outside the offices of the Roman Catholic Diocese of Providence. The pension system was put into temporary receivership in August after it was revealed the fund was heading towards insolvency. And tonight, we're hearing from more frustrated employees and the diocese itself. Eyewitness News reporter Steph Machado has more now from our control room.
Pension recipients from St. Joseph's and Fatima Hospitals will continue getting their full pension checks for the rest of this year, but a cut to those payments is likely in the future as the fund is running out of money, and many are asking who is to blame. They worked long careers at Our Lady of Fatima and the former St. Joseph's hospitals. Now these retirees are demanding something be done about their orphaned pension fund that could run out of money in the next 10 to 15 years because no one is currently putting money into it.
We never, ever thought that this was going to happen. Never.
Marilyn Horan is a retired nurse. She worked for St. Joseph's for 40 years.
3,000 of us who gave our lives for this hospital through blizzards and hurricanes and whatever. We gave our lives.
Now unsure if her pension will be cut or how long she'll keep getting checks as the pension fund is now in receivership.
I was so depressed about this when it first happened. I cried the entire weekend. And then on Monday morning, I said, you know what, Marilyn, put those tears to action.
She was on the picket line outside Superior Court and the Diocese of Providence Wednesday. The diocese started that pension plan, later selling the hospitals. Picketers holding signs with Bishop Thomas Tobin's face on them. Some signs reading, "What would Jesus do?"
It was as plain as the nose on your face that they were losing money and they weren't funding the pension. And then all of a sudden, we're in bankruptcy. And what are we all supposed to do?
The diocese, declining to speak on camera, sent us this statement, saying in part, the Diocese of Providence has not been involved in the administration or management of the hospitals for over 50 years. The Diocese of Providence did not create this problem, and we are not able to resolve it. And so the court-appointed receiver is trying to determine what sort of cut should be made to pension payments. He says that should be determined by February. Meanwhile, a special counsel, Max Wistow, has been hired to look into whether any particular institution helped cause the pension fund to become insolvent, and whether they should pay up. He says he's at the very beginning of looking into that question. I'm Steph Machado, Eyewitness News.